Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're diving into the world of Kotlin, a versatile programming language that has been making waves in the software development community. So yeah, this video will explore its origin story, syntax, feature, why you should learn it, and who's using Kotlin in the industry. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So yeah, Kotlin, that is developed by JetBrains, was officially unveiled in 2011. JetBrains, the creators of popular developer tools like IntelliJ IDEA, designed Kotlin to address some of the shortcomings of other programming languages. And yeah, in 2017, Google announced official support for Kotlin in Android app development, catapulting its popularity among Android developers. So yeah, now let's delve into the Kotlin syntax. One of the Kotlin strengths is its concise and expressive syntax. It's basically fully interoperable with Java, which means you can now seamlessly integrate Kotlin into your existing Java projects. And yeah, also with its features like type inference, lambda expressions, and smart casting, writing clean and efficient code has never been easier. And yeah, now Kotlin comes equipped with a host of powerful features. It basically offers null safety, helping you avoid these pesky null pointer exceptions. Its extension functions allows you to augment existing classes with new functionality without, modifying their source code. And yeah, Kotlin's functional programming capabilities, including higher order functions and immutability, make it a strong choice for modern software development. But most of the guys should be wondering, like, why should you learn Kotlin? Well, first and foremost, it can boost your productivity. With now its concise syntax and modern features, you'll write code faster, and with fewer bugs. Kotlin's strong compatibility with Java means you can work on a wide range of projects. Plus, with Android official supporting Kotlin, it has become the preferred language for Android app development. And yeah, Kotlin has gained traction across various industries. Major tech companies like Google, JetBrains, Uber, and Pinterest have adopted Kotlin for their projects. It's basically now not just limited to big companies, but also startups and developers worldwide are embracing Kotlin for its developer-friendly approach. So yeah, there you have it. In conclusion, Kotlin is a versatile and powerful programming language, with a compelling origin story, elegant syntax, and a wealth of features. So yeah, whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, learning Kotlin can open up exciting opportunities in the world of software development for you. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.